Yeah, the weather's been a bit crap, so we've been doing lots of bits to the steering arms and stuff. We started doing this rear deck section. We've copied the ring from the Matilda over there, because all we've got is this little bit of ring to guide us, and the Matilda ring is exactly the same size, and that's like 3/4 of a ring we've got on that one. So between it we've worked out where the turret ring actually goes, and hopefully we can plate up around that to make that shape. Me and Dell's on the rear engine deck today trying to finish this piece off so we can lift up the back end.
Two of us Thursday today.
Two of us Thursday.
Unsupervised.
Unsupervised. God help us. Oh, stop going so close. Look, you might as well stick it on with a stick.
Needs it thick on there.
Don't need it so thick it's running off. So new arms we've knocked up. That's our plates to go under the bearings.
The bearing razors.
Bearing razors, that's what they are. That's the rear bit of deck we're going to be hinging the engine hatch off with. Warren's just putting some handles on the deck. Yeah, I made them about 7 from the edge and 10 from the end. But, I mean, they ain't got to be spot on. It's just...
They've got to be bang on instead.
And then we've got another bit of plate going on today at the front there. Once that's on there, we'll cut the hatches out. We've got a hatch on the side here, we've got a smaller hatch we've got to cut out. One here, we've got the dimensions, but we wanted to put the plate in first, just so it makes it a bit stronger, so less likely to warp as one piece. Then we'll cut the hatch out. That's Dell's job, the hammer.
Yeah, oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah, getting a union on you. Well, engine deck's a nice fit. We just get some hinges in there. We've got these half-track armoured door hinges, hopefully take the weight. Warren's working hard.
With his crook neck.
Huh?
With his crook neck.
That last bit, it really sticks up. Does it this cut the drill bit? Yeah.
Well, where's the nuts for these bolts?
Oh. I think we need short bolts. I just found these were the right size, so I thought that'd be good.
Oh, you just dribbled all over me.
Yeah, I did, didn't I? Lucky I didn't shit your head. I'm getting excited.
Because I was going to say, if they were the right, if you had the nuts, I might be able to get them on from inside.
All the holes drilled. I've just got to talk Dale into living in the engine bay to do the nuts up. Warren's still blobbing away on that front bit. This is, hang on, this is our new hinge system. Look, Dale's going to do the grand opening.
Yeah, you're going to help.
And it should lean on there.
Oh yes!
Oh, there you go. Look.
That's an engine down there.
Yeah. It's this big old engine door.
It's killing us.
I know. That's what it's meant to do. It's a tank. It's meant to kill people.
Yeah, but not when you're fixing it.
Right, shall we try and shut it? See if we can stop ourselves from.
And take it off.
Don't get your fingers caught in that. Oh, look at that radiator.
Well, the handles stayed on.
Yeah, that's a good sign, eh?
Who's calling me on your phone?
There you go. Mr. Carl Brown gave us some dimensions. Same for this one here is 8 by 7 or something. We've got to measure up. Well, not as much done this week, but we didn't have the best of weather. It's only 4 days, but we got a bit welded in the front. Warren's cutting the hole out, and now we're going to the pub. Do you want a crisp, Bill?